Shesha. In the previous video we saw how to investigate deleted files. Now in this video we are going to investigate different types of files. So on the left hand side you will see a section called file view. This basically gives you a bifurcation of files, and the first thing is the type of file. Let's say for example there are images. Now these images can be in various formats like JPG, JPEG, or let's say PNG, and the X mark again defines that the file was deleted. And there are various sections. Let's say for multimedia we have videos, audios. Now what I usually do is I go by the MIME type. Now for example there are some databases, there are some documents. In documents we have Office, HTML, PDF and various other files. And in MIME it basically shows you the different types of files that are available. So on the left there is a section for deleted files specially, which you can either recover or you can see the hash code and various other things of the deleted files in case of an investigation. If you have an ongoing investigation, if you want to search for all sorts of deleted files, there's something even extra over here. That is, it allows you to understand the type of file based on the size as well. So that is also available. So for example, what I usually do is I go by the size bifurcation, and there are three sections. One is 50 to 200 MB, then we have 200 MB to 1 GB and 1 GB plus files. Now just imagine if there is an Excel file of let's say 2 GB, so that is completely suspicious, right? So what kind of data will a Excel file have which is of 1 plus GB? So this is usually how I investigate. And then we have some data artifacts as well, so you can basically walk around, and there is a separate option called analysis results, which will give you a result, and there is a score tab. Now this is also quite important. So there are files which are usually like, for let's say for example you find a backdoor on a server and you have the image file of the server, so it will basically scan it and give you a core score. There is an option called reports as well, which will allow you to get reports, and OS accounts basically has details of the OS as well. So now there will be a pop-up over here and you will be able to see a keyword search, and this basically allows a lot in terms of investigation. So if you can go, and on the top right side you have a keyword search. So let's say if I'm searching for an image called kitten. In the next video we'll search in detail how you can use the keyword search in your investigation, in your digital forensic investigation. But for now that's all for this video, and I request you to scan the QR code available on the left hand side to enroll in the course.